A very good afternoon to everyone present here. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the remarkable achievements of our young scholars from Narayana who have excelled in various prestigious international Olympiads. These Olympiads aim at promoting excellence in science and mathematics. Much like Olympics in sports, these Olympiads are a celebration of the very best in science and mathematics at the school level. The dedication, hard work and perseverance of Narayanites have brought immense pride and honor not just to our institute but also to our country. Can we have a huge round of applause for them, please? But before we felicitate our young achievers, let me quickly take you through the different Olympiads that our students have actually excelled in. Starting with the International Junior Science Olympiad or IJSO. 5 of our talented students attended the orientation cum selection camps for IJSO. Out of these 5, 3 exceptional students will be representing India in the IJSO 2024. Moving on to the International Olympiad on Astronomy and Astrophysics, we are proud to announce that out of the total 5 students in Team India, 2 are from Narayana who will be representing India. Additionally, for the Junior IOAA, all 3 students in Team India hail from Narayana. These students have demonstrated extraordinary prowess when it comes to astronomy and astrophysics, making us all incredibly proud. Next, we turn our attention to the International Physics Olympiad. 6 of our students have attended the OCSC for IPHO and 2 of them have been selected for the Asian Physics Olympiad as well. Up next, we recognize our champions in the International Chemistry Olympiad. 3 students attended the OCSC for ICHO 2024 and 1 of them was also selected for the OCSC for the International Biology Olympiad. Lastly, we recognize our champions in the International Mathematics Olympiad. 12 students have attended the International Mathematics Olympiad 2024. All these students have shown exceptional brilliance when it comes to chemistry, biology and mathematics. Let us all give a huge round of applause to all our students.
Good afternoon, all of you. So now we are felicitating to our proud parents or proud students. So I am starting with the students. Shamukh, please come with parents. Venkat Tanmay, selected for the OCSC Astronomy. Shai Shravan, selected for Junior Astronomy. Please come with the parents. Or we are giving to cash prize 1 lakh student for OCSC. Thank you. Ambalika with parents. She is selected for the Junior Astronomy OCSC camp with prize 1 lakh rupees. Thank you, Ambalika. Raghupur Bhushan with parents selected for the OCSC IJSO with cash prize 1 lakh rupees. Thank you, Raghupur and parents. Karish Jain, selected for the OCSC IPHO and represent to Asian Rio Olympiad. He is the youngest one who selected for the OCSC in last time. He gets prize of 2.5 lakhs. Thank you, Karish. Next, Sanidhya Saraf with parents. He selected for the OCSC Astronomy or representing Team India. He gets prize of 2.5 lakhs. Thank you, Sunny. Next is Balibhadra Maji with parents. selected for the Astronomy Olympiad representing to India. He was also selected for IPSO gold medalist. 2.5 lakhs prize. Next is Pranjal Dixit with parents selected or represent Team India Junior Astronomy. Pranjal parents. Next is Bhavya Gundwal with parents. She is selected for the IPSO team or last year also selected for OPSC camp. Thank you Bhavya and parents. Next is Shwetang Agarwal with parents. He is selected for the IPSO team. Cash prize is 2.5 lakhs.
It's with great pride and joy I welcome you all to this momentous occasion. We are here today to honor and applaud these 10 outstanding students who have not only gone through OCSC camp, which was organized by HPCSC as every year as it does, but they have also been selected to represent India on the international platform. 45 students from Narayana Group have participated in the OCSC camp, and from these 45 students, after a rigorous camp and after rigorous selection process, which includes both theory as well as practicals, 10 students out of the 22 students who are going to represent India on the international platform have been selected from Narayana Group, which is 45% of the international selections are backed by Narayana Group. This is amazing. And these students are going to participate in IJSO, that is International Junior Science Olympiad, IOAA, that is International Olympiad on Astronomy and Astrophysics, Junior IOAA, as well as Asian Physics Olympiad. In addition to that, there are students who have participated in the camp, that OCSC camp, for Biology Olympiad as well as Maths Olympiad and various other subjects. So as you are all aware, Narayana Group is instrumental in training students not only to prepare for JEE, NEET as well as board examinations. We also aim at giving students our very best to train them to represent India on the international platform. We have been bagging gold medals, silver medal, bronze medals on international platform for the last decade and more, and we continue to produce the similar or even better results with this year. We are extremely proud and we have invited you all to celebrate the same today. I would like to first congratulate the students for the unparalleled hard work they have put in, the perseverance to excel so well academically. Obviously, it's always the students' achievement which is a testament to high standards of education as well as the robust support system Narayana Group provides. And on this momentous occasion, I would like to congratulate those students who have participated in OCSC camp, all the students, and who have also gotten the privilege to represent India, all the 22 students who got the chance to represent India on international platform. Even if they are not from Narayana, I congratulate them. They have definitely made their parents proud, their teachers proud, and now it's time that they made India proud, and I wish them all the very best as well. The students do not come only from one area. There is representation from Telangana, Karnataka, Orissa, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Haryana. That goes on to showcase the reach and impact of Narayana's curriculum across the country. And that is fantastic. I would also like to take a moment on this prestigious occasion to thank our teachers and mentors who are our really strong support pillars. In fact, it is the parents' dream and the students' dreams that Narayana makes it as our dreams, and we will continue to strive our level best to make each of these dreams a reality even in future. Thank you very much.
Now it's time for our young scholars to share their experience with us, starting off with Kanishk Jain, who will be representing India.
Hello, I'm Kanishk Jain. I live in Pune and I study in Narayana, Mumbai. I represented India in the Asian Physics Olympiad held in Malaysia from June 3 to June 9 this year. So it ended like 2 or 3 days ago. Narayana has helped me throughout my journey in Physics Olympiad, from NSEP, the first stage, till the last stage, which is the APHO. They solved my doubts. They gave me study material which I can practice and study, and they provided good teachers from whom I can clear my concepts and do problems to clarify them. I reached till OCSE and got selected for APHO.
Congratulations once again and all the best.
Thank you, Kanish. Can I now have Sanidhya, please?
So, hello everybody. My name is Sanidhya Sara. I study in Narayana, Mumbai. I started my preparation for the Astronomy Olympiad like this year itself, and the teachers at Narayana have been really very helpful. The study material, the guidance given by the teachers was really fantastic, and their dedication while preparing us for the camp was literally above anything I can imagine, because I remember our teachers and guides, like we used to go to dark skies, because in astronomy you need to practice at night. So we used to go at dark skies at 12 a.m. and our teachers along with us used to stay awake till 6 a.m. Until that time we were practicing, they were guiding us how to use the telescope. So of course this help is something which you really need when you need to excel in such competitive camps, and I guess I received that very well. So I'm very happy.
Congratulations. All the sleepless nights worked out.
Can I have Banibrata now, please?
Hello everyone, I am Bani Brata. I am basically from West Bengal, but I have been staying in Hyderabad. So during my whole astronomy preparation and also for the preparation of the camp, this institute has helped me in both theory and practicals also. Especially I would like to stress on the practicals part, because you need telescope for practicals and you can't get a telescope easily. And also the proper teachers who like helped us to locate stars and constellations, and it was really fun. Like we had to stay awake the whole night and sleep in the morning, so it was really wonderful experience. So I'd like to thank Nana a lot for that. They have been supportive in academics as well as non-academics, from the management, faculties and everything. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Now it's time for Bhavya to share her experience.
Hello everyone, I am Bhavya Gunwal. I am from Haryana and I'll be representing India in the International Junior Science Olympiad to be held in December this year. Narayana Group helped a lot in my preparation and then me succeeding in IJSO, especially the practicals part, because the practicals are not usually in like the school curriculum. So the practical faculty was very good and we were taught how to handle the equipments and how to take readings properly and all. So that was very helpful. The theory faculty was also amazing. We got to clear our concepts and solve our doubts. The moral support was also there. That also helped in my success at the OCSE. So I am very thankful to Narayana Group for IJSO.
Congratulations and all the best.
Thank you, Bhavya. Can we have Shwetank now, please?
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. I am Shwetank Agrawal and I hail from Haryana. This year I have been selected to represent India in International Junior Science Olympiad to be held in Romania in December. Narayana played an instrumental role in my preparation, as in Junior Science Olympiad we have both theory and practicals. The practical support especially that was given by Narayana was very helpful. The labs, the practical instructors and all the accuracy measurements that we were taught really helped me a lot during the camp. Moreover, in the theory part as well, I got to clear my doubts, have crystal clear concepts and made a drastic change in my performance.
Raghukul Bhushan, please.
I am Raghukul Bhushan from Gujarat. I study in नारायणा अहमदाबाद. जैसे कि OCSE में थ्योरी और प्रैक्टिकल दोनों आते हैं, तो लगभग एक महीने तक हमने चंडीगढ़ में रहकर प्रैक्टिकल की तैयारी की थी. उस दौरान नारायणा ने मतलब मेरा पेरेंट्स की तरह देखभाल किया वहाँ पे और मोरली काफ़ी सपोर्ट किया. नारायणा में मोरली सपोर्ट के साथ साथ मुझे एकेडमिकली भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा सपोर्ट मिला. जैसे कि कुछ डाउट्स थे मेरे, कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स बाकी रह गए थे कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स में, तो उसमें भी उन्होंने हमें मेरा बहुत साथ दिया, जिसके कारणवश मेरे जो टोटल ग्रोथ थी जो एग्ज़ाम में मेरे काफ़ी अच्छे मार्क्स हैं. इसलिए मैं नारायणा को काफ़ी धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ.
Can we have Pranjal Dikshit now?
Good morning everybody, I am Pranjal Dikshit from Hyderabad. So recently I have been selected for the junior IOAA and for that Narayana had played a very instrumental role. I came to contact with Narayana only during this astronomy camp. This helped me clear a lot of my concepts in astronomy. Also, the practicals in astronomy provided by Narayana helped a lot, because the teachers also were awake, like somebody else also said. They were awake till the 6 p.m. in the morning. All the practicals were done properly. So that also helped a lot in the camp. The theory part was also covered very well. So for that, I'd like to thank Narayana.
Can we have Ambalika now to share her experience?
So good afternoon everyone, I'm Ambalika Tripathi from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. I'm currently in grade 10 and I represented in the Junior Astronomy OCSE INJAO 2024. I've been in Narayana from the very initial stages of NSCGS and INJSO, and all the teachers were there and they've helped me a lot. I've also had mentors and they also had emotional support in the preparation. And I also attended the practical camp in astronomy by Narayana in Ahmedabad, and we went to 2 places there, and we had an overnight practical camp, and the use of telescopes there was also very helpful in the actual government camp, and the theory part was also covered really good. So Narayana has helped me a lot through this journey. Yeah, thank you.
Now it's time for Sai Shravan to share his experience.
Hi all, my name is Sai Shravan. I'm currently studying in 10th grade. Narayana has laid a very nice schedule for me to get qualified in the 2 stages of Olympiad and get qualified for the OCSC. And Narayana has held a pre-camp at Ahmedabad, which has really helped me understand astronomy and various topics in astronomy like night sky gazing and astrophysics. I would like to thank all my teachers and the Narayana.
All the best.
Can I have Venkat Tanmay Kumar now, please?
Good afternoon, all. My name is Tanmay Kumar. I'm from Bangalore, but as of present, I live in Hyderabad. And I participated in the astronomy OCSC that was from May 2nd to May 20th this year. The Narayana group as a whole has been a pivotal part of my progress and my learning, in fact. For example, I contacted them first when I cleared the 2nd stage, which is INAO, and they contacted me for the camp before the HPCC camp in Ahmedabad. The teachers there, top notch. The material, even better. But what was the best part? That was the practical session. The teachers and all the staff in Narayana went through the effort of taking us to a place in Kutch. We were in Ahmedabad. We had to go 4 hours away from the center in Kutch, just so we could do night sky observations from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. And they stayed up the whole night, clarifying all our doubts, any of our misconceptions, and of course they taught us how to use telescopes. So all in all, Narayana has been a very big part of my preparation and for my success in joining OCSE. Once again, I would like to thank the entire Narayana group for the same. Thank you very much.
I will call up Shanmukh Sumed to please share his experience.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Shanmukh Sumed. I hail from Hyderabad. I have attended the biology OCSC camp. I would like to take this moment to thank my parents who have always encouraged me to have a scientific mindset and think logically, and have been a source of motivation throughout my childhood. The teachers at Narayana, I am thankful for them because they have taught me everything I know. They have made teaching and learning an effortless thing, and the administrative staff at Narayana and the management, they have supported me through every stage, from everywhere, from registering for the Olympiad to getting selected for OCSC to training for the OCSC. They have helped me in every stage, and they have also parallelly trained me for NEET as well as Olympiad to not make me compromise in any aspect and achieve success in both. The OCSC camp is something I will never forget, and I am very grateful for. The act of dissecting a fish, taking its heart out, visualizing the RNA and DNA bands in a gel electrophoresis apparatus is something I can never forget. Thankful for Narayana.
All the best with your medical career also.
Thank you.
Thank you to our young achievers. I'm sure the team at Narayana will be super motivated and pumped after listening to all of you. Congratulations once again, students, and we wish you all the very best. Now let's end this glorious note on a sweeter note by the cake cutting ceremony.